Hey guys, this is Ankita and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how to style a white kurti. White kurti is every desi girl's wardrobe staple, and if you don't already have a basic white kurti, then you should definitely consider getting one. Because a simple white kurti is like a blank canvas and you can adorn it in many exciting and unique ways. So guys, the first look which I have created is by pairing this beautiful white kurti with the ankle length denim jeans and a beautiful scarf draped around my neck, and completed this look with a silver earring and a pair of jutis. Guys, I love layering, and this long ethnic jacket gives a very edgy look to the white kurti. It adds a bit of drama which works really good together. I have completed the look with a choker and a same pair of jutis. So guys, for the third look, I chose a very beautiful long sleeve ethnic jacket over a white kurti, which gives it a very smart look, and I completed the look with a silver oxidized earring. So guys, the fourth look is the most classic one. In this, I have paired the white kurta with a solid color dupatta. The look changes with every color. The dupatta which I have used is a blue color mirror work dupatta, which enhances the overall appearance and the beauty of the white kurti. And I have completed the look with a silver jhumka and a gota work chappal. Guys, this is the last and the most vibrant look which I have tried to create is by pairing the white kurta with a multicolored dupatta. This is one of my favorite look and I hope you like it too. And I have completed the look with a multicolor feather and mirror earring and an ethnic chappal with it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video then do give it a thumbs up and also share and subscribe.